What's this one?
E.
A.
A.
For what?
Purple.
Apple.
Apple.
And this one's what?
A.
What's this one?
B.
For. What's this? Come here. What's this? Balloon. Yeah. What's this?
Seat.
For.
Cars.
Yeah. What's this one?
Room.
What's this one?
A D.
For. Do you know what this is? Do you remember?
Mama. D.
Dice. Dice.
Dice.
What's this one?
D. D. D.
No, that's a D. What's this? A, B, C, D. What's this one?
A. L. O. D. A. I. D. T. N. P.
It's so cute. What's this one?
D.
What goes after D?
V.
An E?
C.
Did you have a brain fart? It's an E? For Earth?
E.
Yeah. What's this one?
F.
An F for... What's this? What's this? For feet? What's this?
T.
A G? Come here. What's this? What is this? What is it? Grapes?
Beach.
What's this?
H.
For... What is that? A hamburger? No? Is it a hamburger? What's this? What letter is that?
I.
For iron? What's this? What's this one? What's that one?
A.
What's that one?
Day.
A J for jellyfish.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, what's this one?
Day.
For
Cat.
a kite. Yep.
A cat.
What's this one?
No.
An L for, you know what that is?
Yes.
A lizard.
Yeah, yeah.
What's this one? What's this letter? Do you know what that letter is?
N.
Nope, that's an N. Which one's this one? This one's an M for
N.
mouse.
Mouse. Yeah.
And then what's this one?
Now.
N for, what's he pointing at?
Ovi.
His nose?
Ew.
Ew, he's not picking it, he's pointing at it. Well, maybe he's picking it. I don't know. What's this one? What's that one?
Oh.
O? I think that's an ostrich? I don't know. What's this one? What is it?
Oh.
No, that's a O. What's this one?
P.
Yeah, for a pen.
Pen.
Or a paintbrush. That's a paintbrush. What's this one? What's this one? What letter's that? What letter's that?
Q.
A Q for a queen.
Queen.
Yeah. What's this one?
Ties.
No, what's this one?
Ties. Here are.
For a rabbit. What's this one? What's this one? What's this one, Sebastian? You're not going to tell Mama what letter that is? What letter is this? Are you done playing? Yep, for what is this? Do you know what that is? Sun? What's this one?
Tree.
For this? What's this?
Tree.
Yeah, a tree. What's this one?
Yeah.
What's that one?
Yeah.
What's this one?
You.
A U. For a unicorn. What's this one?
Yeah.
Huh? What's this one? Are you showing the teddy bear? What's this one, Sebastian? What's this one? This one. What's this one? A W. For watermelon? What's this one? X. For X-ray. What's this one? What is that? You know what it is. What is it? What is it? Yeah. What is that? Is it a yo-yo? Yo-yo. What's this one? What's this one? What's this one? What's this one? For... You know what that is? A zebra? You want to do the one we skipped? What's this? For volcano?